Totally. Every Samoan's favorite movie.
For real.
Totally, boy, ikaw Ramsey lang kamo.
Di get it.
Totally, it's every Samoan's favorite movie. You know why? You know why?
Why, Uce? Why?
Because they see themselves in Nacho Libre, bro. You know, Nacho Libre grew up religious. He had dreams. He went out there and he followed his dreams.
So you ain't lying, Uce.
And that's why Samoans gravitate to wrestling. That's why everyone can relate to Nacho Libre because he's a wrestler. And look at the biggest Samoan popular dude or in the world movie star, Samoan, and he's a wrestler.
So, ladies and gentlemen, around the world, we are now tuned in to the Uce podcast, the #1 podcast that helps you pass time by bringing special guest hosts like my man right here, Uce Libre. Give it up for Uce Libre, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah. Happy to be on the show, bro. Yeah. Happy to be on the show.
So, manifesting up, man. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Why, Uce? Why?